Welcome to OpiPro, the leading B2B platform that fully digitises your business and trade accounts end-to-end. We've re-engineered the old, inefficient and manual B2B processes for the digital age. OpiPro delivers a seamless experience for you and your customers, helping you scale and grow your B2B offering. Let's take a look at its features and benefits, which can be customised to your business. For new applications, you can digitise your existing process into the platform or utilise our customisable form. When an application is submitted, the system performs an automated credit check on the business within milliseconds. You, the merchant, will then receive a notification via your OpiPro merchant portal, prompting you to log in to review the application, results of the credit check and the requested terms. You can automate approvals via rules or simply click Approve. Once an application has been approved, the business customer's administrator will receive login credentials and can now set up their preferences and trading structure. OpiPro can deal with simple or more complex account structures. For example, parent and child hierarchies, multiple authorised users, and single-use purchase orders for non-users, with many more customisable features to meet your business needs. Once set up, the details of the business account and authorised users are captured and can be further customised at any time on the customer portal by the administrator. Authorised users can now start transacting online and in-store through the OpiPro integration into your ERP. Online transactions are processed via an authorised user's unique login credentials. In-store transactions are processed via a digital barcode or a custom physical account card, delivering you and your business customers an accurate account of all transactions in real time. All online and in-store transactions are logged in the customer portal, where businesses can view their transaction history, available limits, and trading terms. Transactions are aggregated into statements and invoices, which are available for download and can be settled electronically within the agreed trade terms. Any queries can leverage the OpiPro ticketing system, which can be supported via your existing FAQs or customer support team. The status of all your business accounts are fed real-time into your merchant portal, where you can access all the features and functions related to every account. We can also port all your existing accounts into the platform as part of the implementation. Once a payment is received from your business customer, the system will automatically reconcile it. Outstanding payments and overdue accounts can be managed via automated communications. OpiPro will deliver you a fully digitised end-to-end platform for your business and trade accounts, a positive customer experience, and most importantly, the ability to grow your existing business and trade accounts and attract new ones. We look forward to growing your business in partnership with OpiPro.